wondering how you are going to make your audience want to travel to your spring break destination? In this tutorial, you will learn how to use persuasive techniques, add text to the photos in your project, record audio narration over your project. Persuasive techniques. There are 3 types: pathos, logos, and ethos. Pathos uses emotion to appeal to the audience. Example: show people being happy or having a good time in your spring break destination. Logos uses logic or reason by giving evidence or statistics to appeal to the audience. Example: tell your audience how inexpensive it is to travel to your destination, or tell how many people visit the location each year. Ethos uses credibility or character to appeal to the audience. Example: people tend to believe the people they respect. Share a fact from a medical professional about how traveling is good for your health, or find a quote from a celebrity about traveling to your destination. Now that we've gone over persuasive techniques, we are going to go back to iMovie. You will need to click on your project, and to make any changes, you will click Edit. So in this part of the tutorial, I am going to show you how to add text to your commercial and also how to record audio narration if you are interested in adding that to your commercial. So I am first going to click on the picture because that is going to allow me to click actions, titles, or filters, and you do want to make sure you click on the titles button. You will see a variety of different fonts and animations, and when you are choosing, most likely you want to use the same consistent font throughout your commercial, or you can use the same font on the first and last photos and then choose something different for the middle. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click reveal for my title slide. So it says title text here. You are going to click it and click edit, and then you will be able to type what you want to type. So I am going to type welcome to San Clemente. And to move it, you just hold on to it and you can move it all through the photo, and I like it best at the top, so I'm going to leave it here. On the next slide, I'm going to start in with the persuasive technique that I have chosen, which is to appeal to my audience's emotions. So I'm going to create a story for my audience to make them want to go and visit San Clemente and do all the activities they have to offer. So I'm going to start my story out by saying, imagine waking up to 70-degree weather. To me, this seems like a pretty ideal temperature, and so I'm already setting my story up that it sounds like it's really nice to wake up there. Once again, you can move where that text is, so I'm going to move that closer to the top. You'll see on the next slides I've already added some text, and it is the same font as the one you saw in the previous picture. So I said you will have to decide whether to spend your day at the beach or if you want to hike at one of the many trails. So really appealing to the audience and giving them many different activities that they can do. On the last slide, I have already written enjoy San Clemente, and maybe I want to add audio narration here. So how I do that is I go to the microphone icon and then I will record. So when I click record, it will count down and then I will be able to just speak over it. Enjoy San Clemente. So now I can review it. Enjoy San Clemente. And I can accept.
After watching this tutorial, you will be able to include the following in your commercial: persuasive techniques, text on your photos, recorded audio narration, and this is optional. Thanks for watching! I can't wait to see your spring break commercials.